Why on earth anyone would want to put after-tax money into their super fund is a common question I get, but there is a smart answer, so I wanted to unpack this one. Now, with your super fund, there are two limits that you can use to put money into your super. What's called a concessional or tax-deductible limit and a non-concessional or an after-tax limit. The concessional tax-deductible limit is $30,000 a year, including any money put into your super fund by your employer. The after-tax contribution limit is $120,000 a year. These are all limits post the 1 July changes. Using up your concessional contribution limit gives you immediate tax deductions, cuts your tax bill, and means more back in your refund. So there's a pretty clear line of sight on why you would actually do that. With the non-concessional contributions or the after-tax contributions, it's a little bit hazy. But here's the thing, inside your super fund, the maximum rate of tax that you pay is 15%, and it's only 10% on capital gains on investments that you've had for 12 months or more. So that amount is much, much lower than your personal marginal tax rates, meaning that there's significant tax savings up for grabs by having money invested inside your super as opposed to outside. Now, if you were to have income of $120,000 a year in your personal name, you would pay tax of about $30,000 a year on that income. But if you've got that same amount of income inside your super fund, when you're in pension phase, you literally pay $0 in tax, which means a $30,000 annual tax saving, which means 30 grand more in your investments to allow them to grow further or to just fund your lifestyle. Now, because when you put money into super, it's effectively trapped there until you're old and can access your super, this is unlikely to be the first strategy that you run to if you're thinking about saving tax or building wealth. But for someone that's got good cash flow, that's already in the property market, that's doing a bunch of things in other areas, the tax savings on offer mean that it's something that's seriously worth considering.